What are you going to do today?
Baby's going to make hot chocolate.
Okay. And what do you have to make the hot chocolate?
We get the coffee made and then we eat it.
The coffee? You mean a hot chocolate stick?
Yep.
Okay. And what else do you have?
And the center, we gotta make it with put milk in it.
Good job. Hot milk?
Yes.
Okay.
Hot milk.
So who's gonna heat up the milk?
You.
No. Who's gonna heat up the milk?
Mommy.
Mommy. Right. Because you don't touch the stove, right?
Yes, it's hot. Why? He's too bad. Look at her. He's supposed to be combo when he's writing combo.
Okay. All right. So let's finish the hot chocolate. So open the pack.
So we got the hot chocolate.
Don't eat it.
Okay. So put it on the side, and then I'm going to heat the milk up, okay?
Yes.
All right.
Put it on the side. I mean, put
I open it because I'm good to rather meet my mom. It's my brother's birthday, and my mom bought a toy for him. Hawaiian egg, combo blanket with the mask, and we go to sleep, and he went down.
So what we're doing, we're waiting for the milk to heat up?
Yes! It's kind of beautiful, but I'm still not going to. Well, I was playing that snow, but I was playing in the snow. I have so much weather gloves and my pants and so much fun. I was not coming with us because he knows coming with us because this is hot chocolate because we're making a hot chocolate.
We're making hot chocolate. And what else happened in the snow?
The birds eat the ice. The birds eat the ice, and I play around and I switch it, and it's just like this. Like that. So it's like that, guys.
Oh.
Still big's not coming.
Say thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
And subscribe.
And subscribe to our channel.
That's what she said.
Yeah, our channel.
Say it again.
Our channel.
Say subscribe.
Subscribe to our channel.
And put a what?
Thumbs up. And click the like button.
And also leave a comment down below.
Yep. And we also go to Bello tonight because we did go to Bello tonight.
It's gonna melt.
Yeah.
When this melt, it's going to turn to hot chocolate?
I believe so.
Why?
Oh, it's melting.
This is mountain. This is mine. Mine is mountain. Look, mommy.
Mm-hmm.
Mine is mountain. This is mountain too.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, Santiago is.
Ew, let's see you look.
What the? Ew! I want to eat that.
Be careful, it's hot. Be careful.
If you eat it, you're gonna get burned.
Stop, Amir.
I'm not eating it. I'm just dipping it.
Yeah, you can dip it. You can swirl it. You see?
I can swirl it.
Ew, look at mine. Ew, this is disgusting.
Ew, this is disgusting. I'm not going to eat that.
Okay. Is it hot?
No,
Yes.
it's warm.
Oh, it's warm. Okay.
I blowed it. This sound.
Okay.
It's good.
Yummy good. Yeah. I'm not eating because I'm eating this in the morning.
Okay.
It's really good.
But it's still morning time.
All right. So what do you guys think?
It's good.
It's good. What do you guys give it a what? A thumbs up.
Look
Want to try
at
some? Want to try some?
Yes, I'll try some.
Try some in mine.
Hot.
No, it's warm.
This is warm. But
It's actually really good.
You want to eat
why
some
look
more?
like? Why look like?
No, eat all of them because I'm eating it.
Woo! Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
This
See you
is the best video I ever tasted.
Say thank you for watching.
Thank you
for
for
watching.
watching.
Bye, bye.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
And subscribe.
And subscribe.
And leave a like.
Leave a like.
comment down below.
All right, one more time.
Leave a comment down below.